What's going on, guys? You're back here with another motorbike build. Just finished this about yesterday. I'm still waiting on a tensioner and a brand new custom built pipe for it. But every single piece on this thing is brand new except for the used pipe, as you can see. So we got some 10-spoke mag rims, some Kenda mud tires here, front and back, both same rims and tires. We have a Zoom suspension fork, disc compatible. I'm running some hard clutch pads in my clutch so we don't get any slipping with this ported and polished cylinder and dirt bike pipes. But this is an RM85 dirt bike pipe. I've got a CNC racing head on it, ported and polished cylinder, a race ignition coming that isn't installed yet. Planning on getting a new carb too, because that's still stock carb, as you guys can see if you guys are familiar with these. I'm not sure which carb I'm gonna run yet, but definitely want something good. We're on a 36 tooth sprocket in the back. I've got it up to 35 miles an hour so far, but I'm still trying to take it easy, breaking it in right. Well, at least trying to, you know how that goes. But yeah, it's an 80cc 2-stroke motorized bike. Yeah, this is my third build I got done. Should be a nice little quick ripper. But yeah, gonna get off here. Figured I'd hop on here and show you guys my new build. Definitely gonna be getting more into this YouTubing stuff on this channel, so give me a subscribe and a like and a comment if you liked the video and would like more comment. Peace out, guys. Stay tuned for some videos of this thing coming soon.